Hi everyone, I'm Luke from Obrien Engineering. I'm the sales manager here. Today we're going to give you a bit of an insight to some of our hidden talents, including machinery, import and some of the materials. So let's go check it out. I think my main wish would be for people to understand the enormity of our setup and our facility. I'd say our hidden talent is really our ability to solve so many problems for people. We've come from a trophy and engraving background, but we've got that engineering basis. You really have that sort of trophy engraving and presentation, signage, general metal cutting, and then in addition to that you have sort of more fabrication based, where fabrication is very broad in itself. Are we fabricating a panel that's for a facade on a house? Are we laser cutting a unique bracket that's going in a small housing? It requires a bit more process, like you got your cut, your fold, your weld, your inserts, maybe outsourcing the powder coating. A lot of our customers come to us with a problem, and really our goal is to find that solution. Maybe there are ways that we can assist that you may not be aware of, so utilising our laser cutting or any of our fabrication, as well as decades of skilled knowledge. We import probably the largest range of specialty materials. We're pushing 300 different materials here across metals, plastics, acrylics, etc. So a lot of these materials we're importing directly from other countries, whether it be laminate plastics, anodised aluminiums, could be specific for engraving, sublimation. Here typically we stock a lot of the steel-based products, so we've got steel from as thin as about 0.9 in zinc steel, going all the way up to 25mm thick, which is all laser cut on a big OMADA CO2 laser cutter. With our cutting, we've got a combination of both fibre and CO2 cutting technology. Currently our biggest machine is a 4000 watt laser that can process 3000 by 1500, and that'll do up to 25mm thick steel. So here we're in the start of our sort of fabrication and more sheet metal processing area. So we've got a variety of press brakes designed to fold and bend material. Currently the guys are folding steel, which has multiple folds, and all the programming's done and development prior to folding, and then you scan your barcode, load up your tooling, adjust your tonnages to suit, and then fold, so you end up with the finished product. So right now we're standing near our OMADA turret punch. We have close to, I think, 400 or over 400 different die sets, so various shapes, sizes, holes, and then they're allowed to be processed on this machine at quite a fast pace. So behind me we have the acrylic cutting machine, so this is a KERN OPTIFLEX. This machine specifically will do 2mm acrylic all the way up to 30mm. So sometimes it's just having that versatility of being able to cut metals and plastics and mix and match. And a lot of people don't realise that we can cut acrylic and to great quality and thickness. So in this immediate area is where we'll do the bulk of our welding. It's that final finish on certain products. They need to weld it up to make it waterproof or sealed or add strength. So this is almost like that finishing touch, the final finesse. We deal with a huge array of customers. It's anyone that requires some sort of fabrication or design custom product. If you ever had an idea or a thought of something you'd like to create, let us assist you find that solution utilising our state-of-the-art machinery, decades of knowledge and a practical know-how of what can be achieved in a real-life scenario.